Hello everybody and welcome back to the Data Validation in MS Excel course. There are many situations where we need to specify the number of characters allowed in a cell. Keep in mind that text length validation includes digits as well. Therefore, you may use it in postal codes or product codes where we have a mix of letters and numbers. In this example, we will be using American zip codes. The correct format for a numeric zip plus 4 code is 5 digits, a hyphen, and 4 digits. This amounts to a total of 10 characters. To enforce such a rule, we select the range where the zip plus 4 code is going to be entered. We go to Data tab in the ribbon, we click on Data Validation button. When the usual dialog box appears, under Allow drop-down list, we choose text length. From the comparison operators, we choose equal to, and in length, we type the value 10, that is the length of a complete USPS zip code. This rule does not say anything about the content of the cells other than the length of the text that it accepts. You can type anything other than a zip code, so long as it contains 10 characters, it will be accepted. To enforce a more rigorous rule that accepts only valid zip codes, we're going to need more than just text length data validation. We will see how to do this in later videos. Last but definitely not least, is the custom data validation type. We are going to have a long discussion about this type. It is by far the most interesting one, and probably the toughest to crack, but just to have a basic idea, here is how it works. This type requires creating a formula or function that returns a true for the rule to be applied, same concept of conditional formatting. For example, this is a list of books and their ISBN, this is the book's ID, so naturally, it will be unique. We will use custom data validation to enforce the uniqueness of the ISBN. First we select the range where the ISBNs go, then we go to Data tab in the ribbon. We click on the Data Validation button, and in the drop-down list under Allow, we select Custom. In formula we type the following. Equals COUNTIF. Open parenthesis. $A $3. Colon. $A $10. Comma. A 3. Closed parenthesis. Less than or equals to 1. This formula will return true, if and only if, the value does not already exist in the table. If it returns false, that means the value we're trying to enter already exists and thus will be refused, and the usual error message will appear. In the next few videos, we will be focusing on custom data validation type. There are a lot of applications of this type, and it is very interesting to explore them. Becoming proficient at using the custom data validation type will make your life and that of your Excel file users much simpler. If you have any questions or remarks, post them in the comments below. I will read them all and respond to them either in the comment section or in further videos. Let's continue the journey.